Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson objective. So today we will find 1, 10, and 100,000 and 1, 10, and 100 million more and less than a given number. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with our lesson. So up here we have 2,000, right? And I'm showing that with place value just. So I have 2,000. Now, what number is 1,000 more? 3,000. So if I add one more place value to this, I now have 3,000 instead of 2,000. Okay, now, let me clear everything out. Now I have 3,112. Okay, now what is 1,000 more than 3,112? Okay, so 1,000 more than 3,112 is 4,112 because we just added one more thousand. Okay, now let's go ahead and find out what is 1,000 less than 3,112. So if I were to take away 1,000, I would have 2,112. Up here we have a new number. So this time we have a 10,000. So we have 1 10,000, 3,000s, 100, 110, and 2 ones. So our number is 13,112. So now what is 1,000 more than 13,112? Yeah, so if we add 1,000 more, then we will have 4,000. So now we have 1,000, 10,000, 4,000s, 100, 110, and 2 1. So our number is 14,112. Now, what is 1,000 less than 13,112? That's right. That's right. 1,000 less than 13,112 is 1 10,000, 2,000s, 100, 110, and 2 1. So our number is 12,112. Notice that the only digit that is changing is in our thousands place. So although we are in 10,000, our 10,000s aren't changing, our hundreds aren't changing, our tens and our ones aren't changing when we're adding or taking away 1,000. All right. Let's write two 10,000s, 3,000s in expanded form. So expanded form is similar to expanded notation, except now we're going to write the full number instead of showing what place value it is. So if I wanted to write two 10,000s, I would write 20,000. And then I'm going to do plus 3,000. This is expanded form. Okay? And that is going to equal 23,000. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and find out what is 1,000 more than two 10,000s. Oh, that should be 3,000. Sorry, y'all. I made a mistake there. What is 1,000 more than two 10,000s? 3,000s. So if I were to have one more 10,000, that would go into this spot right here. So one more 10,000 than 20,000 is 30,000 plus 3,000, which equals 33,000. Okay, I went ahead and erased it a little bit early, but let me go ahead and rewrite it for us. So we had 23,000 plus 10,000, which is going to equal 33,000. Okay, now let's go ahead and see if we can do this in a different way. So we're going to write two 10,000s, 3,000s in expanded form. So I'm going to do that right now. So I have 2 10,000s plus 3,000s. That's going to be an expanded form. So now we have to find out what is 10,000 less than 10,000s. I made that mistake again, 3,000s. So if we have 10,000 less, if I have 20,000, if I take 10,000 less, that's going to give me 10,000s plus 3,000, which is going to equal 13,000. And this was actually 23,000. Okay, so now we have 10,000 less than 23,000. Okay, now let's go ahead and write a subtraction sentence. Let me go ahead and clear this out. So we had 23,000 and we took away 10,000. So that is going to equal 13,000. All right, thank you all so much for joining me today. Let's go over today's lesson objective. So today we found 110 and 100,000 and 110 and 100 million more or less than a given number. Now, when you go ahead and do your practice, you're going to be working with different numbers, and make sure you do the practice. That's really, really important for this activity. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can also ask one of your classmates. They're experts too. And I'll see you all next time. Bye, everybody.